In this video, I will show you how you can create a Google Ads video campaign. So if you have found a great offer on ClickBank, and if you see that they have given you great materials and that they have given you videos as well, then you can always run your Google Ads on YouTube. YouTube is very popular and a lot of ads are running, so every time you go on YouTube and every time you click on any video, you will see that the ads will show up. And this is a great opportunity for your ads to be shown as well. We're still on this offer, on this affiliate offer, and under image and video ads, I have found some video ads. And they have a lot of clips right here that you can download and use. And after I have watched the video and I saw that this is a perfect video that can lead directly to my funnel. So what would you need to do in order to create the ad? First, you will have to download the videos. I have done that and I have saved those videos on my computer. The next thing you will have to do is you would have to have your own YouTube channel. But don't worry, if you have a Gmail, then you would just sign in to YouTube and there you go. You already have your own YouTube account. Once you have created your YouTube channel, once you have that, then you would upload that video that you have downloaded to your channel. So you will click on Create, Upload Video, and then you would select the file from the folder where you have saved that video. Now the title and the description are not as important, but you can always name that as you wish. In the description tab, you can always put the link to your funnel. So I would say something like this. So if somebody finds your YouTube video and if they watch it, they can always go on the description and click on the link that you have provided right here. Or you can, if you do not have your own funnel, you can always do direct linking right here. So you can choose a thumbnail, or you can create your own thumbnail, and you would just click on next. You don't have to worry about video elements or anything else. You will click next, and you would make this video public. Now you have a video link that you want to copy because we will be using this link to create our campaign in Google Ads. So you will copy that and save it in a notepad. I have put this link in my notepad so I don't lose it. Now it's time to create a campaign. You will click on New Campaign. You will click on Leads. And then the campaign type would be Video Campaign. Then you will click on Continue. Now you can name this campaign. I will name a Video Campaign. Under Bid Strategy, you would select how you want to bid for this campaign. So depending on the campaign type, Google changes the bid strategy. For this one, the only two options that you have is targeted CPA or maximum conversion. Since we want to maximize the conversions that we are getting, you would choose this one. If you don't understand something or the type of campaign that you're using, you can always hover over a question mark and you will get your explanation. For a budget, you would set maybe a $10 for this campaign since we are running a video campaign. And on the start and end date, I wouldn't change anything because you want to run your campaigns and your ads all day. For the networks, those videos have to be shown in YouTube, but you can always exclude the video partners because that is not as targeted as you want it. So you would uncheck that. Under locations, I would again target United States, search for the location and you would target. But again, depending where you live and where you want your offers and your campaigns to be shown, you would select that country. But for the purpose of this video, I would choose United States. Under language, you can choose and type in all languages, or you can be specific and only choose English. Under content exclusions, I wouldn't change anything because I want to leave it as is because that's all standard procedure. Ad extensions, you can skip that as well. And then you can choose the ad group type. Since you want our videos to be shown at the beginning of a video, I would choose a standard skippable in-stream ad. Under ad group name, you can change this. You can name it something else, or you can leave it as is. Again, you can choose the demographics and the audience, or you can choose the content like keywords, topics, and placement. Under demographics, you can always include specific ages and specific gender. Since this offer that we are promoting is only targeted towards females, I would exclude male. And for the ages, I would exclude ages between 18 and 24. Everything else looks good. For videos, it's a good thing to focus on topics and placements. So basically, you're choosing a topic or the content where do you want your ads to be shown. So if someone is interested on autos and vehicles, then your ad and your video will be shown before videos that are talking about autos and vehicles. So if someone is interested in books and literature, then your videos will show in front of those topics and those videos. But since we are talking about finding love, then a good topic would be people in society and family and relationship maybe. So friendship, marriage, romance. Again, depending on your offer, you would choose a specific topic and what you think your potential customers would be interested in. Under placement, you can choose a specific videos on YouTube where you want your ads to be shown. So if you have a specific YouTube channel that you want to target, there is a specific YouTube channel that talks about relationship only, then you would target that channel. So if you only choose one specific placement, for example, one channel only or one YouTube video only, then you're very limiting the options where your videos will be shown. So I would leave this blank and I will only focus on topics. Now it's time to create your video ad. And this is the place where you would put in the link to the video and to your ad. As you remember, we have saved the URL to our notepad, and now it's time to copy this and paste it right here. Now how to place it, and as you can see here on the right hand side, you would see the thumbnail of our ad. We are doing a skippable in-stream ad, and you have to put it in your final URL. This URL would be the URL for your funnel, and I would copy this and I would paste it right here. And the display URL is the same as the final URL, but as I said, this would have to be changed. You can't have ClickFunnels in the name. This would have to be your domain name. And then a call to action is really important, and you can only use 10 characters, so it would have to be very short. And if you are given a PDF, then you can say download PDF or sign up or something else. So I would type in sign up, and on the headline, it would have to be connected to your offer and what your funnel is doing and showing. So on the headline, I would again say download PDF. And under ad name, you can leave it as is, or you can name it something else. I would just say one again, and that would be it. You can see the preview of your ad at the right hand side. You can see under mobile and the desktop, and this is how your ad and your video would look like in YouTube. And you will click on create campaign.